Removing duplicates in Google Sheets is fairly simple, but you do remove duplicates slightly differently in Sheets than you do in Excel. In order to do it in Sheets, you're going to pick an empty cell somewhere within your workbook, and then you're going to write the formula equals unique. Once you have unique written, you're going to write an open parentheses and then select the range of data that you want evaluated. So in my case, it's B3 through B12. When you do that, you're going to hit enter or the check mark box, and you'll see that Sheets returns key lock ticket, which are the 3 unique values that were in the range B3 through B12. Now, what is interesting about this formula is that it returns values below the cell, the host cell that has the actual formula in it. So if you want to make any modifications, you have to remove or make the modification in the host cell, which in this case is C3. So for example, if I try to remove ticket from this list and hit enter, it's going to kick it right back to me because it's referencing this C3. Another interesting thing about it being a formula is that it's just as easy to do on your mobile device as it is on your laptop or desktop computer. And in this tutorial, I'm actually using my cell phone to show you how to use the unique function. So it's pretty versatile and it's a really powerful formula. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this helps.